Most beginners overthink this. You don't need 12 funds or stock tips. You need a global ETF, a bit of bonds if volatility scares you, and automation. In 20 minutes a month, you can grow your first $10,000. Here's how. If you're new here, we help you build money systems you'll actually stick to. Last video, we set up the 3-bucket method. Today, we're filling your growth bucket with a portfolio you can run on autopilot. Diversification spreads risk across thousands of companies. Low fees keep more of your return, and behavior beats brilliance. Staying invested is the edge most people never develop. Start with a global equity ETF. Depending on your country, common examples include VT or VTI plus VXUS in the US, XEQT or VEQT in Canada, VWRA/BWRL or SSAC in the UK, VDHG or VGS plus VAS in Australia, and VWCE or IWDA plus EIMI in Germany. These are illustrations only. Always check fees, index, and taxes. If a 30% drop would make you bail, add bonds. 10 to 40% is typical. Bonds won't eliminate risk, but they smooth the ride so you can stay in the game. Use your country's tax-advantaged accounts when available. IRA/Roth in the US, TFSA/RRSP in Canada, ISA in the UK, superannuation settings for retirement in Australia, and standard brokerage with Sparplan in Germany. Pick one. 90 to 10 for aggressive growth, 80 to 20 for balance, 60-40 if you sleep better with stability. Write it down. That's your policy. Set an auto transfer on payday. Buy your chosen funds on a set schedule. Rebalance once or twice a year, or at 5% bands, preferably using new cash so you're not selling unnecessarily. Before you click buy, check expense ratio, bid-ask spread, and tax drag from fund domicile. Low friction compounds. Don't chase last year's winners. Don't own 5 funds that all track the same thing. Don't check prices 10 times a day. Keep your freedom bets separate and capped. $400 a month at a 7% long-run average gets you near $10,000 in roughly 2 years. Double the savings rate and you get there far faster. Your contribution rate moves the needle most early on. Week 1, choose allocation and shortlist ETFs. Week 2, open or confirm your account, link your bank. Week 3, make the first buy and set auto invest. Week 4, write a 1-page plan and schedule your next review. Comment your allocation 90/10, 80/20, or 60/40 and one reason you chose it. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants a simple start. Next, watch our 3-bucket method video to build the rest of your system.